All right, some more snow problems, especially across interior sections of the Northeast and New England over the next 24 hours. Our storm in the Midwest, which is producing all the snow, is heading toward the Northeast tomorrow. But I want to show you what sets up that snow. This little upper low that is now leaving the Northeast will bring in a little bit of an injection of some colder air, not cold, certainly not Arctic air, but some colder air that will be in place as we head into Thursday, as we track our storm across the Midwest. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to kind of take a due east-west track. So when you're on the southern side of the storm, you're on the warm side and the wet side. Northern track across interior sections of New England and certainly New York State and northern New England, you're going to get some ice with this. Now, you'll notice tomorrow it's chilly, but it's not cold. Where do we see the 30s? Up in northern New England. All right, that's where we're going to start having some problems with some ice. Now, there even could be a little bit of ice right along the Pennsylvania-New York border tomorrow morning around Elmira, around Binghamton, then eventually change over to some rain. But here's our snow problems here, mostly from the New York State Thruway on north and certainly in the northern New England, across Vermont, New Hampshire, and in the parts of Maine where I think the cold air will hold its ground through Thursday as our storm leaves, and then that upper level system comes right across the Northeast on Friday with some more snow and snow showers. Now, this isn't going to be a huge storm, but in some spots, enough snow to cause some problems, including in the Portland area, along the mid-coast, even down east, at least of Maine, at least a few inches of snow. You start getting into the mountains, the green, the whites, and also the Adirondacks. That's where we could be looking at 10, 11 inches of snow with the higher elevations easily picking up over a foot. Now, along the New York State Thruway, Rochester, let's say Batavia, Rochester, Syracuse, on south, a little front end snow and ice that goes over to rain, and even around Albany, enough snow to make things a little slippery before it change over to mostly rain, but it's mostly northern New England that will pick up the most with this storm. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.